Hey everyone, welcome back to DevByte. Today, we're installing Kali Linux on a virtual machine using the OVA file. This is the fastest method. Let's get right to it. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through installing Kali Linux on a virtual machine. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Click on the first link that appears. Once on the VirtualBox website, navigate to the Downloads section. Here, you'll find packages for various operating systems: Windows, Mac, Linux, and others. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click on the Windows package. If you're using a different OS, select the appropriate version for your system. The download should begin automatically. I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel mine for now, but make sure to download. Next, open a new tab and search for Kali Linux. Click on the official Get Kali link. On the download page, we're looking for the OVA file, which is a pre-configured virtual machine image. To find this, click on the Virtual Machines option. This is where you'll find the OVA file. The other options are regular ISO files that require manual setup, but the OVA file is ready to go. Now, you'll see several virtual machine options, but we want to choose VirtualBox for this installation. Click on that option, and the OVA file will start downloading. The file size is around 3 GB, so be patient as it downloads.
3 hours later.
Alright, now that the Kali Linux OVA file is downloaded, we need to extract it. For this, I'm using WinRAR. Simply right-click the OVA file and select Extract. This process might take a few minutes, depending on your system. While the OVA file is extracting, let's install VirtualBox. Run the VirtualBox setup by double-clicking the installer file. Click Next to continue through the setup. Accept the end-user license agreement when prompted and click Next. On the following screens, just keep clicking Next, unless you want to change specific installation settings like shortcuts or Start menu folders. Feel free to select whichever options suit you. Finally, click Install to begin the installation process. This might take a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Once VirtualBox is installed, uncheck the Start VirtualBox option before clicking Finish, as we'll open it manually in the next step. Now that everything is ready, let's get Kali Linux set up. Open VirtualBox. Click the Add button, and then locate and select the OVA file we just extracted. VirtualBox will now import the Kali Linux machine. This is the beauty of OVA files. Everything is pre-configured, so there's no need to go through complex setup steps. Once the import is done, Kali Linux is installed. Now, to fire up Kali Linux. In VirtualBox, either double-click the Kali Linux machine or select it and click Start at the bottom. The machine will begin to boot, which might take a little longer the first time you run it. When prompted, enter the default credentials. Username and password is Kali. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Kali Linux on your system using VirtualBox. You're now ready to explore and dive into the world of cybersecurity. But we're just getting started. In tomorrow's video, we'll be diving into the essential Linux commands for cybersecurity beginners. These are must-know commands that will help you navigate and use Kali Linux like a pro. So, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. I can't wait to see you all back here for the next episode. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.